Hi students, MCQ number 3. Two point charges repel each other with a force of 100 Newton. One of the charges is increased by 10% and the other is reduced by 10%. The new force of repulsion between them at the same distance will be. It's a very simple problem. Now let us take the initial force between the 2 point charges. So let us take this is Q1 and this is Q2 and the distance between them is R. So the force between the two charges is given by Coulomb's inverse square law. So F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 Q2. So this is Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. So the two charges divided by the square of the distance between them, and this is given as 100 Newton. Okay. So that is the force. Now if next case the charges are revised at the same distance R. So this is Q1 dash and this is Q2 dash. So it is given that one of the charges is increased by 10%. So increased by 10% means then Q1 dash is equal to 110 divided by 100 times Q1. Okay. So this is increased by 10%. So 0 and 0 cancels. So this is 11 by 10 times Q1. While the other is reduced by 10%. So Q2 dash must be 100 minus 10, that is 90 divided by 100 into Q2. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. This is 9 by 10 times Q2. So Q1 dash and Q2 dash in terms of Q1 and Q2 respectively we have written. Now what is the new force between them at the same distance of separation? Therefore the new force I will take a F dash. So F dash is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 dash into Q2 dash divided by R square. So this is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into, in place of Q1 dash I can substitute 11 by 10 Q1. So this is 11 by 10 Q1 into, in place of Q2 dash I can substitute 9 by 10. So this is 9 by 10 times Q2 whole divided by R square. So this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into this Q1 Q2 I will take first. So Q1 into Q2 divided by R square, first I will take it out, into 11 by 10 into 9 by 10. Okay. So this is 11 by 10 into 9 by 10. So this is equal to, now 9 into 10 power 9 multiplied by Q1 Q2 by R square, that is equal to how much? 100 Newton. So that is equal to what? F itself. So in place of the first product 9 into 10 power 9 into Q1 Q2 by R square I can substitute 100 Newton. So in place of this I will substitute 100 into 11 nines are 99 divided by 10 tens are 100. Okay. So after cancelling this 100, what we get is what? 99 Newton. So F1 dash is equal to how much? 99 Newton is the new force between the two charges. So what must be the answer? Option A itself is the right answer. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.